miracle. Oh, there was a miracle in the bell tower.
There's a miracle in the bell tower.
It must have been a church bell tower.
Have you heard of the miracle in the bell tower?
I haven't. Have you?
I have.
Oh.
I wrote the miracle in the bell tower.
What? Noah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again.
Woo.
Do you kids know about the miracle in the bell tower?
Probably not, because I don't know about the miracle in the bell tower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you that I was working on a new song.
Oh,
and it's called
yeah.
Miracle in the Bell Tower.
Oh, I really like that name. That's great.
Yeah.
So, how does...
You know, I finished writing the song, and I finished writing the music for it.
Ooh.
But the thing is...
What?
I can't sing it. I wrote it for you. It needs your voice because you can sing... And I can only sing la la la.
Oh,
but you can sing la la la.
Oh, so
you
it's a high song.
Yeah, it's a high song.
Oh.
So I can't sing it. I love the lyrics, and it's written for all the kids and the parents out there.
Ooh, oh, that's really nice.
It's like a miracle. It's a miracle song.
That's lovely. Do you wanna tell us some of the lyrics or some of the things that made you happy about the song?
Yeah, okay. Why don't I speak the lyrics?
Okay.
And I'll try to sing a little bit, but you'll see I'm not good singer. You're the best singer.
I will say, sometimes when I go high, my voice cracks and stuff, so it might not be perfect anyways.
Okay, but you're much better than I.
Okay, well, just...
You'll do well. I believe in you.
Yay! Okay. I'll try very hard.
This is Miracle. Some days are perfect.
Some days are perfect.
Some days the sky is gray.
Aww.
Some days you are happy.
Oh, yeah.
And some days you are not okay.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Some days are sad.
But don't worry.
Oh.
That will change.
Oh.
Yes, don't worry. That will change.
Oh, that's nice.
So never give up hope for a miracle.
Aw. Okay, I'll keep hope.
Wait. Some days are perfect. Some days the sky is gray. Some days you are happy. And some days you are not okay.
Ooh.
But don't worry, that will change. Yes, don't worry, that will change. So never give up hope for a miracle.
Aww.
And then the third part is, to me, you are perfect. You take the clouds away. You make me so happy. You make the days okay. You don't need to worry. I'll wipe your tears away. You don't need to worry. The sun will rise every day. Because you are my miracle.
Aw. Noah, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Wow.
It took me a long
like that.
time to write that song.
Yeah, it seems like it would take a long time. A long time.
Yeah, but then one day,
Mm-hmm.
I was just sitting there. And then somebody said something to me.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, I know. And then I wrote it all down.
Wow.
And then it all worked out.
You had a lot of inspiration.
Yeah.
Oh, have you ever heard of a muse?
No.
In Greek times, they would say that there was a muse, and a muse was like a person, or kind of like, a good way to think of it is kind of like a fairy.
Okay.
Right? Like a fairy that comes to you and would give you a really great idea.
Oh,
so like a painter.
Did a fairy come to me? I don't know if a fairy came to me, but it was maybe just like that.
Yeah, I think it's more of just, I don't think it was like real. I don't think it's like a real thing that happened. It's just what they would say is like, if it was like as if someone whispered an idea in your ear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like that. It's like all of the ideas were like in my head and they were turning and I couldn't figure it out. And then all of a sudden, boom, it all came together.
Yeah, it sounds like you found your muse. Lovely.
My muse.
That's really neat. Cool. So, should we try singing it?
Well, I think I'm going to play it on the piano.
Okay.
And then why don't you sing to it?
Okay. I'll try.
Okay.
Okay.
So, here, let me give you, do you want me to give you the lyrics?
Yeah, oh, yes, please. Yes,
yeah,
please.
so you can, there it is, right there.
Okay.
And then I'll play the song. Okay?
Okay, hold on one second.
Okay.
Some days are perfect, and some days the sky is gray. Some days you are not okay, but don't worry, that will change. Yes, don't worry, that will change. So never give up hope for a miracle. Some days are perfect, and some days the sky is gray. Some days are happy, and some days you are not okay. But don't worry, that will change. Yes, don't worry, that will change. So never give up hope for a miracle. To me you are perfect. You take the clouds away. You make me so happy. You make the days okay. You don't need to worry. I'll wipe your tears away. You don't need to worry. The sun will rise every day. Because you are my miracle. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Noah, that's lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a miracle in the bell tower.
yeah. That might be my favorite of your songs.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no, I'm really touched by that.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
I just
You did
hope it
really good work.
touches a lot of our people out there, a lot of the kids and the
Yeah.
moms and the dads, and that they're going to be really, really happy and maybe emotional and sing along and be.
Yeah.
And it's something special I wanted to give to everybody.
That's so nice. I think they'll all enjoy it very, very much. They'll be humming it later.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's good.
Cool.
Well, kids, I hope you enjoyed our miracle song, and
Yeah.
I hope you'll stay on to sing the sing-along version for.
Go on and sing along and have just such a wonderful day.
Yeah, and if
Yeah.
it's too hard to sing along, just like for me or maybe for Olivia, then just listen to it because
Yeah.
that can be fun. And then one day you practice, and then you can sing it along too.
Yeah, and you can hum. If you practice humming it, that'll help too.
Yeah, exactly.
Great.
Okay.
Right. Thank you guys. Have fun.
Have
Remember,
fun.
you're perfect.
Yeah, you are my miracle.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye. Have a
Bye.
good day. Bye.
Bye.
Wow. That was a great song, Noah. Really,
Thanks.
really good work.
Thanks, Olivia.
Aw. You're welcome. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.